Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another comic book set. Here's the set that I'm going to be doing, and I wanted to try French tips because I did not see anyone do French tips yet. And if you have, I'm sorry I did not see you, but yeah, I had this idea in my head and I just needed to go for it. So I'm just doing an application process first with some natural pink that I got out of a kit a while back. This pink ended up not being pink enough, so I'm going to show you guys how to get that perfect pink for a French tip later in the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn that bell on so you won't miss the next time I post a new video. If you are new, hey boo, welcome to the channel. So I am going to try to speed through this video as quick as possible. I am doing curved tips today. They're not super duper curved, but they're curved and I love them. I just got them in the mail probably 2 days ago and I was like, ooh, I'm about to do a set with these, y'all. So that's what we're doing today. So I will hop back in when I'm done with this application process. Also, thank you guys for 2,000 subscribers. I think now I'm at 2021. I appreciate all of you. I am doing a giveaway at 3K, so let's keep running these videos up and pushing these videos out. Share this video to someone who might like it, and yeah, let's just watch this application process and I will hop back in when needed. So here they are, freshly cured, and the next clip right here, they are wiped off now. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with my e-file and shape up these nails a bit. So I did finish filing off camera. Here's how they came out, nice and squared straight. So I'm loving this curve, y'all. I don't know what it is. The curve is doing something to me. And I'm wiping off with some rubbing alcohol and a napkin. Next, I'm just going in with some top coat, and I'm only adding top coat right now so that I can do some nail art and it won't be hard to wipe off. For anyone who's new, if you're trying to do nail art, I recommend putting top coat before, because I mean, of course we make mistakes, but some colors are more pigmented than others, and sometimes it could cause you to have to go back and file. But if you add a top coat, it will not cause you to go back and have to refile. So that's why I do top coat first, then nail art. Alright, you guys, so I don't know, well, you can see this little pink that I mixed. So it was that pink, but I ended up putting like clear in it so that it can be more of a sheer pink instead of a pigmented pink. And that is how you get your perfect color for a perfect French. Well, your perfect pink for a perfect French tip. Just mix clear and whatever pink you want to do, and that's how it'll come out. It will literally look like baby pink polygel, baby pink acrylic, or whatever, baby pink gel. It just looks perfect. See, it's a perfect shade. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with these colors. So I am doing a fall type of situation. So I'm just gonna start off with doing the French tips first. I am using a nail art brush, and I'm putting a line down the middle, and then I'm going from each corner of my nail bed to get my smile line. So I did go ahead and speed this part up, but I am just going to do the same exact thing to the rest of the nails. So here's how the nails are looking so far. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with some black and line this out for the pop art. I'm just gonna literally outline each line from the French tip area. I'm not going to do the smile line because this is a French tip. I did not paint the whole entire nail, so I'm just going to do the French tip areas. So this part is when I started to get excited, you guys, because it was coming out so good. So the lighter brown color or brownish orangish color, I am going in and kind of making it look like 3D. In my previous set, I did not do this, but I am using a color that's similar to the French tip color to try to make it look more 3D. So instead of doing the L shape around the cuticle area, I'm doing a eye, and that's just, so I'm using white, and I guess the reason why people use the white is to make it look 3D as well. Like if a light shines on your nails, that would be like the glare from it. So that is what that's for. And I am adding 2 lines, one going across and one going down the nail, not completely down, as you can see. That's just to make it look 3D as well. So I will finish and do the same exact thing with the white to all of the nails, but for right now I am just doing this pal. So I'm trying to make that little explosive bubble, and then I'm gonna write pal in there, but I am using a nail art brush and I'm just doing what I can. I'm kind of making it slanted so it won't look too crazy, but at first this was not coming out right. I don't know, but it ended up coming out correct. So yeah, just going with the flow, you guys. This is how it's looking so far. Just adding some finishing touches. And for the pal, I did do that part off camera because your girl's a little blind, so I needed to really like be able to see closely instead of looking through like my camera lens or something like that. I kept bumping my head on my camera, so yeah, I just ended up stopping recording and did that part. Now I'm just using the black to outline the explosive bubble, and I'm also going to outline pal. So here's how they're looking. Now I'm just going to go ahead and go in and do the same exact thing I did to the other nails. I'm using that lighter brownish orange color to make it look more 3D, and then I'm going to do the white eye and the black lines. I'm just going to do that for the rest of the nails, and then I'm going to top it off with some matte top coat. So here we are now. I'm just checking to see if there was any more lines I needed to add it. I did go in and add some white little lines on the other side to make it look more 3D, of course. And now I'm just going in with some matte top coat. And before curing, I will add some rhinestones to the cuticle area And then we're going to cure that in a lamp. So here are the finished results. I'm just going to go ahead and go in with some cuticle oil, and then I'm going to give you guys those angles because it wouldn't be a Shea Nailed It video without those angles. Alright, you guys, here's those angles. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn that bell on so you won't miss the next time I post a new video. If you are new, hey boo, welcome to the channel. Thank you for 2K, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.